Can you tell me where the post office is, please? Certainly. Turn left at the traffic lights, go 120 yards, and it's on your left next to the bank. Husband and wife in bed, asleep, and the wife wakes up and says, "The baby's crying." Now, she doesn't, what's she saying? It's only 4 words, "the baby's crying." She's not telling her husband that the baby's crying. He knows the baby's crying because he's awake as well. He's pretending to be asleep. Very, very difficult to teach, if I can use that word, this sort of language. It's something you acquire over time, over exposure. And literature is just such a fantastic resource for that in all its forms. We live in this world. We live below the surface most of the time. So we're not up here like most animals who are thinking, "Where's my food?" This is deliberately the most difficult thing I could think of for you, okay? The most challenging. It's where the gap between the tip of the iceberg and underneath is biggest, I think. I'm not going to tell you the title, by the way. I'll tell you later, maybe. Right, are you ready? Here we go. An, chi, chi. An, chi, chi. Just a couple of seconds. Turn to your partner and explore what was in your mind at the time, okay?
Of only one, she's not your type. She wouldn't dance around in the flippin' laser and go heel to the toe. Of only one, she's not your type. She wouldn't dance around in the flippin' ground. Does she come from another clan? She gonna be
Chi, 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 chi. That's the story. There's another story, even deeper in the iceberg. What do you think it is? Who's this? Humpty Dumpty. The question is why? Why do we know it? Well, it's very easy to remember. It has a nice little rhythm. It's short. So if I was to tell you this was another true story, expressing some deep human anxiety way down at the bottom of the iceberg. Again, create a story. A couple of minutes with your neighbour, try to think what Humpty Dumpty is really about. And you tend to remember it. And you tend to make sure that your children remember it. Ring a roses, a pocket full of posies, a tissue, we all fall down. And then they all fall on the floor. And then they get up, they do it again and again. And we teach them that in kindergarten. And they love it, and it's great fun.